Moving forward, the number of available visas for the DV program will be reducing significantly. From this fiscal year 2025, the available visa will not be 55,000 as we have seen in the previous years. So, what will cause this significant reduction in the available visas? Hello guys, welcome back to the KARANJA'S. If you are new here, consider subscribing. If you have been here before, karibu sana. Welcome to the family. And in today's topic, we are going to be discussing about the available visa moving forward for the DV program. Something happened back in 1997 and it is taking effect in the beginning of the DV 2025, and nobody is talking about that. I'm going to read what the website says because we want to pick from the website. This is the official state government website, and that is where we get all the facts. So the website says the NACARA was passed by Congress in November 1997, stipulated that up to 5,000 of the 55,000 annually allocated diversity visas be made available for use under the NACARA program. This will result in reduction of the visa, in the reduction of the DV 2025 annual limit approximately to 54,850. So that will take only 150, as I said. Additionally, Section 5104 of the National Defense Authorization Act, NDDA, for fiscal year 2024 amended the NACARA provision on the diversity visa program such that the number of visas made available under the NDAA will also be deducted from the 55,000, which we know is the annual allocation. This will result in an additional reduction of the DV 2025 annual limit to approximately 51,350. So, as we have read there, this is simple saying the year 2025 we will have an annual limit of DV available visas, which will be approximately 51,350 from the previous 55,000. So if you are a winner of the DV 2025, I would advise you to submit all the paperwork before it is too late, so that if your case number is reached, you will be able to get your interview before the visas are exhausted. Remember, the 51,350 is also inclusive of all the visas that are provided to families. So all family members derive their visa from the principal applicant, and this number is included in the total 51,350. And that's why sometimes if we have so many families that have already been given the visa, then before even we reach September, the number of available visas can be exhausted. And when they reach the limit, they cannot give any more visas because the program have that specific limit of the number of visas that they can be given. So when we look at the number of people who were selected is more, especially in Africa. The big numbers that have been selected from specific countries, I would say the first one is Algeria. Algeria have the 5,526. And then we have Ghana have 2,686. We have Morocco with 4,237. We have Sudan. Actually, Sudan have gotten a lot of selectees this year, 5,505. We have Togo, 2,287. And we have the other African country is Rwanda, 1,385. We have Kenya with 4,459. Liberia with 2,004. Ethiopia with 3,674. And on and on. So you see, we have so many people who have been selected, more than the actual number of the 51,350. The other thing, the political temperature in the US right now, as we all know, the Democrats are more pro-immigration and the Republicans are not. So if we go back to what happened in the previous administration, the people who won the DV in those years, most of them were not able to even get the interview. And the reason being because of the administration. So if the president and the ruling administration put more pressure or create a scenario like they did to have a backlog of all the appointments, and they were not able to meet them within the specific time, then all those people did not get their visas. And you cannot appeal. DV lottery cannot be appealed if you did not go for your interview before the 30th of September. So there is no appeal that you can go and make after that. So depending on who is going to be the president, it might affect the number of visas allocated in the years to come. Or in a scenario like this, if the administration put more pressure on the Congress to reduce the number of the visas or allocate them to another different program and deduct from the DV, then you can see we are going to have limited chances as we go on. So for the DV 2026, I would advise you guys in the coming few months in October, make sure you try your luck, because whatever administration that is going to win the election will not be able to interfere with the already selected number of people, but they will be able to interfere with the coming years. So this 2026 is very important depending on the administration. And then don't forget, 2025 is very crucial too, because now we will have limited visa. We are going to have 3,500 less from the previous years. That's all for today, guys. I hope to see you in the next video. See ya.